Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will guide you through step by step how you can book an online appointment with the Scotiabank. It is quick and easy process, so stick around until the end of this video. Uh, so let's start. First, open any web browser of your choice and go to Scotiabank. And once you are on the home page, look for contact option. It's usually spottable like this. Click on it. After clicking the contact us, you will see the book an appointment. At this stage, you will be asked to choose if you are an existing customer or not. Simply, I will choose I'm not customer. I'm a new customer. So that's it. I will click on that. So next you will need to decide uh, whether appointment is for personal bank or small business. I will choose personal bank. So now you will see several options for the type of services you need, such as bank, credit card, loans, and etc. I want bank account. Now they will ask you how can we help you with this bank account. I will uh, select open a new account. So here they will ask which account you would like to discuss. I want to discuss about saving account. I will click on it. Now here uh, you will need to enter your address, city or postal code to find nearby. uh, Choose branch for like most convenient for you. uh, Let me add the postal code for cost for the city. So I will click on this postal code. It will be processed. So I will be clicking on this one and continue. Now you have to enter the date and time for your appointment. For example, I will choose the uh, 21 Feb. Okay, and you can select time also. Select appointment at 1 and whatever, and continue. How can we contact? Now here you have to enter your uh, phone number and uh, last name and your first name and email address. After filling out these details, click on continue. Once you do, your appointment will be successfully booked, and that's it. You have when you now successfully book an appointment with Tia Bank online. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this tutorial.